Hello, and welcome back to Crypto Voyage. Today, we're diving deep into another exciting topic that we believe you'll find intriguing. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more insightful content. Let's jump right in. Despite Ether's recent gain in ratio compared to Bitcoin, ETH options aren't showcasing a bullish trend. In the past week, the Ether Bitcoin, ETH/BTC, ratio rose over 2%, a change from its usual losses during risk-averse periods. However, data from Amber Data reveals a stronger bearish outlook for Ether. Across various time frames, traders are gearing up against potential price drops. In contrast, Bitcoin maintains a long-term bullish sentiment. The top cryptocurrency continues to be viewed as the primary macro asset in the crypto sphere. For clarity, puts are contracts that allow selling at a predetermined price, signaling a bearish sentiment. On the other hand, calls reflect a bullish stance. Crypto expert Noelle Acheson shares her insights, suggesting that major investors might lean towards Bitcoin due to its liquidity, market cap, and relative stability. It's noteworthy to mention that Bitcoin is approaching its fourth mining reward halving next year. Historically, this event often paves the way for significant bull runs. Despite the discussions, both Ether and Bitcoin experienced a dip last week, with Bitcoin dropping over 10% and Ether about 8%. Analysts suggest that Ether's resilience might be due to anticipated launches of ETH futures-based ETFs and the hedging activities of market makers. For more details and in-depth analysis, visit CoinDesk.com. If you found this video informative and enjoyed the content, please hit the subscribe button and give us a like. It truly helps us grow and bring more content your way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.